What's going on? And we start with this. You guys, look at the Mamadas clouds in Valencia County. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
When we get some intense storms, that's often when we see the Mamadas clouds form on the underbelly of some of these thunderstorms, often indicative of severe weather. It wasn't in this particular case, but a great looking shot from Stephen and Carissa Hill. Appreciate you guys sending in the picture. Really, really cool. As far as what's going on right now, 60 degrees in the metro. East-northeast winds at 6 miles an hour. All is quiet across the north with temperatures for the most part in the 40s, 50s, and low 60s. Down to the south, 50s and 60s at this point. Satellite and radar shows our storm system is long gone. It is spreading severe weather into the Midwest, where we've had a big-time tornado day in portions of Kansas and over into Oklahoma. Back behind, we've had a couple showers across northern New Mexico, a couple sprinkles going right now in portions of the metro, like out on the west side, but it's not really going to amount to much throughout the night tonight. So look for a day tomorrow that's going to spend largely under sunny skies, but we will have the chance at a shower or two over the northern mountains, and into the day on Friday. Winds will crank up a bit, but we're still not going to see a great deal of shower activity, and then everything sort of shifts focus to this storm, which is heading in our direction for the weekend. So what are we looking at with this particular system as it comes through? Well, what's interesting about this storm is it's a cold storm out of the Pacific Northwest. So as it comes overhead here around the Four Corners into early Saturday, there's a possibility up in the San Juans of southwestern Colorado, we could be looking at some pretty good snow from this thing. And as it slides over northern New Mexico, we'll have a chance to get some scattered valley rain showers and, yes, some high mountain snow. A few inches of snow would not surprise me out of this particular system as it comes through. More good news keeping fire danger down. What's it going to take to get some showers in the metro? Well, I think we've got a shot to get some scattered showers on Saturday, but what would really help us is if we can drop this storm track down just a little bit farther to the south, even by 150 miles or so. That'd be critical to get more of the state into the mix. Right now, that isn't forecast. Let's wait and see what happens, though, because this thing has been edging a little bit farther south over the past few days. So we'll keep you posted on that as we get closer. But in the bigger picture here, we went out a month and checked out the long-term forecasting here on one of the models we like that goes out that far. And the overall trend looks like it will continue, and that is a trough along the west coast. This is important because the troughs spawn a lot of the storms that head through New Mexico, and it does look like it's going to stay in place, and it is looking more and more like we're going to see a storm about every week or so coming into the end of May. So that would be perfect, and of course, and if that happens, even if not every storm is a blockbuster, it would keep fire danger way down. It would keep that wet pattern in place, which the long-term models that go out even 3, 4, 5, 6 months have been hinting at. We're looking at a pretty good setup. It looks like through monsoon season at this point. 62 Durango, 60 Pagosa Springs, and 64 in Alamosa. Increasing clouds over the weekend. Chance at a few more showers into next week. Sun and clouds with an isolated shower possible over the northwest. Over to the southwest, mostly sunny. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, and temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Over to the southeast, plenty of sunshine here. Warm, 85 Carlsbad, 85 in Roswell, and up in Fort Sumner, 81. Up to the northeast, partly cloudy with isolated showers, temperatures in the 70s and 80s. For the most part, a pretty good day. Cooler, though, by Saturday. Northern mountains will cool down significantly, but not until Saturday and Sunday. And those temperatures are going to top out in the 50s, and in the high mountain communities, going to top out in the mid-40s with a few showers. 71 Edgewood and 68 in Cedar Crest, and finally here in the metro area. Mostly sunny and breezy. Chance at a few showers possibly into the Saturday time frame. So we'll keep a shower in there. Let's wait and see what this storm system does, and then into next week we could keep the action going. And I do need one other request from you guys. Just do me 5 quick favors. Follow me on follow me on Twitter. Check out our Facebook page, KRQE Weather. We have an Instagram account, KRQE_weather. Download the KRQE Weather app and sign up for our text alerts on KRQE.com.
I don't see Pinterest on there.
Oh, you know what? I knew we missed one.
Yeah, you need to get on.
Yeah, that's a good point.
We can adjust. We'll be here.
No, I appreciate it.
We'll get a new graphic.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mark.